Hi dolls, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya, and for today's video I'll be creating this pumpkin spice fall inspired makeup look using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette. This is what it looked like on the inside. This is my first time using this palette and I really like it. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. I went ahead and filled in my brows. I filled in my brows with the RealHer Defined Brow Pencil. I am Inspiring, which is the color. And then I went ahead and set my base for on my eyelid with my MAC Select Cover Up in the NC20. And now I'm going to take my favorite blending brush. That's what this brush is going to be called for the rest of all times until it just fall apart on me. This is my favorite blending brush because I really don't know the name. It has Mally on it, M-A-L-L-Y, but it doesn't have like a number or anything on it. And I remember I got it like a while ago in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I think it was a BoxyCharm box, or maybe it was like Ipsy when I used to have Ipsy, but I received it in one of my subscription boxes and I don't really remember the name of the brush besides the brand, which is Mally. And I'm going to start off with this color right here in the middle. I'm just going to use that to set my entire brow. So next I'm going to take this orangey yellow color here. It actually looked like the inside of a pumpkin. And I'm going to take my tapered blending brush. This is the Luxie 205 brush. And I'm going to focus it right here on the inner corner. Not all the way on the inner corner of my lid, but like not right here, but slightly above the inner corner. Now one thing you guys may notice with my videos, I like to kind of do like a kind of winged out look when it comes to my eyes. Some people like to do an oval, like kind of circular, I guess, feel or vibe. I like to pull mine out. Now that I have that orangey yellow color here on, I am going to go and deepen it up a little bit with this light terracotta. What I'm going to use to apply that color is my Sigma small tapered blending brush. This is the Sigma E45. And let me just kind of show you guys what that looked like. It kind of has like it's fluffy on the outside and then it kind of tapers up to a point on the tip. And that's exactly what I'm going to need because I am going to focus most of the product right here on this part, and then I'm going to wing it out on the outer part. And I need that taper to kind of help me flick it out. And just like you would do with the smoky eye, you would just go back and forth between your different brushes to kind of blend everything together. Now the next color I'm going to go in is with this darker terracotta color right here. I'm going to use my Morphe M506 brush. I really need to find another brush that's like this that's not Morphe. If you guys know a dupe for the Morphe M506 brush, let me know down below in the description box. Please, please, please. Now with the tip of this brush, I am going to focus the product right in this inner corner, not too far inside. Once I have that color set, now I'm just going to kind of blend it in my crease and wing it out. After I use this darker terracotta, I am going to use this dark brown here on this outer corner. I'm going to use my Motor Pro shade brush, but I'm just going to use the tip of the brush. Usually with shaders you pat things on like this, but I'm going to use the tip to kind of hopefully give me that precision of where exactly I want that dark brown to go. Now at this point, I am going to put one of these forward shadows. I've been swatching them, trying to figure out which color I want to use, and I believe I'm going to go with this top middle one right here. The brush that I'm going to use is my Luxie small shader brush. This is the 245, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm going to spray it just a little bit. I guess that was a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take some of my BioDerma cleansing water, and I'm just going to clean up this outer corner here. And now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. Alright, so my face is ready. Everything is pretty much done. Only thing I have not applied is my blush and highlighter, because I wanted to show you what kind of blush and highlight that I'm going to use for this look. And now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lower lash line to complete this eye situation going on. Yes. Now I'm just going to take my, this is the eye shading brush from Luxie. This is the 213. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing that I did on my upper lid, just do it on the lower lid. So I'm going to take this orangey yellow right here. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm pretty much just going to blend these two colors together, the light and the dark terracotta. Why I keep saying teriyaki? Still focusing the brush as close to the lash line as possible, so that as I'm blending, whatever that do go down will go there naturally. Now with this flat definer brush, this is the Luxie 221 brush. I'm going to go with this darkest brown right here. And now I'm just going to focus that right on my lash line on the outer corner. Now I'm going to take that Morphe M506 brush with no extra product and just going to blend it out. Now I'm going to apply Lou Manizer by the Balm, and I'm going to apply that on my inner corner of my eyelid and also on my brow bone. And I'm just going to take a small detailing pencil brush to do so. Now as for a blush, I wanted to use like an orangey or a terracotta type color. And the only thing I was able to find was in my Makeup Geek collection here. I'm going to be using Infatuation on my cheeks, and the brush that I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. blush brush. To highlight my cheeks, I'm going to use the same Lou Manizer by the Balm, and instead I'm going to use a Morphe M501 brush. Now I'm going to apply my mascara and put on some lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using is from Huda Beauty, and it's going to be Samantha number 7. My lashes are on. Now I'm going to do my lips. The liner that I'm going to use is from MAC. It's Chestnut. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty lipstick and Freckle Fiesta. Alright dolls, so this is my look, my pumpkin spice fall inspired makeup look. What do you guys think? Check it out. Both sides. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will be alerted anytime that I upload new videos. Thank you dolls for watching, and remember, you are made for more. Bye.